Good morning, Miss Brittany. How are you? My name is Courtney. I'm here at Tamron Honda in Hoover, reaching out to you on behalf of my manager, Rob Nelson, who spoke with you about this specific vehicle, that gray 2019 or 2020 Honda Pilot in the Touring Edition with the hands-free kick tailgate, the Honda Sensing Suite, which gives you adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, forward collision braking, nice 20-inch rims, LED fog lights along with your running daytime LED lights, sunroof, heated seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, keyless entry, remote start. I mean, this vehicle, awesome. Great vehicle. Honda has been voted best SUV brand. So that is every SUV that we do have here to offer, with the Pilot being our best and biggest one that we do have. Now, I know that you've seen the vehicle here on the video, but I would really love for you to set some time aside to come by, get behind the wheel, and experience this vehicle for yourself. I don't want you to miss out. I would really like for you to come by at your earliest convenience and check this out for yourself. Put your hands and your eyes on it. See what you think about it. Let me go to work for you on the vehicle that you are interested in the most. So if you would, just reach back out to me at 205-261-8732, or you can reach back out to Mr. Rob. Let us know what we can do to best assist you during this process. I cannot wait to hear from you, but I do guarantee you one thing, that when you make it here to see me at the Tamron Honda in Hoover, you're absolutely going to love the way you're treated.